Okay, I'm jumping to the IPv6 Attack Toolkit official GitHub page. If I go all the way down, under Tools, we're going to test Parasite 6. So this is the tool we're going to test today. So Parasite 6 is a ICMP version 6 neighbor solicitation advertisement spoofer. Puts you as man in the middle, same as ARP, MITM and Parasite. So let's jump in and do the demonstration. Before we start our journey into ethical hacking, remember with great power comes great responsibility. We must always have permission to test websites, computer system and respect privacy. Remember, we use our skills to help but not harm. So let's gear up, learn the tricks of ethical hacking and make the digital world a safer place for everyone. I want to introduce you to two websites, kalicyber.com, you can see in here. The next one is breachfix.online. Both sites created and owned by me. But here's the twist. We are going to dive into some serious penetration testing and explore their security, vulnerabilities, weakness, everything. Yes, that's right. I'll be hacking into my own sites to demonstrate any potential security weaknesses. So why I'm doing this? Well, it's crucial to understand how cybersecurity works in the real world. By testing my own sites, I can show you the process of identifying and addressing security issues, which is essential for anyone interested in cybersecurity. I'm offering both of these sites for you to practice your penetration testing skills for free. Yes, I'm going to give this for free so you can do your own practice penetration testing. This is a fantastic opportunity for students, enthusiasts and building cybersecurity professionals to get hands-on experience in a controlled legal environment. Before you start, here's some guidelines. Number 1, respect the purpose of this exercise. It's for educational use only. Number 2, report any vulnerabilities you find directly to me. The third one is do not use the knowledge you gain here for malicious purposes. Penetration testing is a critical skill in the world of cybersecurity, and I'm so excited to offer you this unique learning experience. Remember, ethical hacking is about making the digital world safer for everyone. So let's learn, explore and grow together. Okay, I'm now in my Parrot OS with Raspberry Pi. I'm going to type sudo parasite 6 wlan 0 and fe8 0 1. Now I will explain. So when you run this command sudo parasite 6 wlan 0 fe80, it's a IP version 6 address, similar address, you are instructing the Parasite 6 tool from THC IP version 6 Attack Toolkit to initiate a man in the middle MITM attack on your local network, especially targeting IP version 6 traffic. This command uses Parasite 6 to spoof neighbor advertisement messages, pretending that your device is the gateway for the network identified by this IP address. So WLAN 0 is your network interface, your Wi-Fi interface. Now you can change this address to your target gateway address. Okay, now I'm going to execute the command. Okay, now I'm going to explain one by one. After we enter this, executing this, we can see the first top two parts. You can see remember to enable routing. You will denial service otherwise. And we can see echo 1 proc says net IP version 6 conf all forwarding. So what that means is, so this instruction suggests enabling IP version 6 forwarding on the attacker's machine to ensure that once the machine starts intercepting network traffic, it can also forward it correctly to the actual destination. Without enabling IP forwarding, the intercepted traffic would stop at the attacker's machine, potentially causing denial of service for the target devices by cutting off their network access. Now the next one we can see, remember to prevent sending out ICMP version 6 redirect packets, IP6 tables, and we can see a command in here. So this step involves configuring IP6 tables to drop ICMP version 6 redirect packets during a MITM attack, during a man-in-the-middle attack. The attacker system might unintentionally send ICMP version 6 redirect messages to the victims, advertising them to use the actual gateway instead of the attacker's machine. Dropping these packets help maintaining the man-in-the-middle attack position by not alerting victim devices to the better route. And after that, at the last, we can see started ICMP 6 neighbor solicitation interceptor, press Ctrl C to end. So this message indicates that Parasite 6 has successfully started intercepting IPv6 neighbor solicitation messages on the network, is now actively listening for these messages and will respond with spoof neighbor advertisement messages, making the attacker's machines appear as a legitimate neighbor. So like often pretending to be the gateway. So I hope you understand the theory and the practical you doing what will going to happen, because we're going to spoofing man-in-the-middle attack, and the device is going to think that this is the gateway address, and they're going to send the ICMP version 6 details. So you can do so many things. This is like man-in-the-middle attack, how to do the attack. But if you study the other subject, you know how to get more information from this attack. So those tools and those things I'm going to teach you, create more videos in my upcoming videos. Now, students should be made aware of the legal and ethical implication of deploying such tools and techniques. They should understand that these practices should only be performed in a controlled legal environment, such as cybersecurity lab or network, where they have explicit permission to conduct tests. If you find this channel helpful and would like to support my channel, please consider making a donation through buymeacoffee.com. Believe me, every little bit helps in bringing more such educational and engaging content to you. Thank you so much. That's all from this video, and I'll see you my next videos about all other tools one by one. Thank you and see you soon.